see the Prime Minister had almost about 4 hours of talk time, and it covered the wide range of issues that would affect both countries. You must know, so everything was discussed. I told him that my visit here is to reaffirm the friendship, cooperation, and the solidarity of the Filipino people, the Japanese, who are Japan is the #1 donor in terms of assistance and help, including some of the vessels that we have been shown here, especially the light ones, the rubber boats, which is for mobility. Yan ang kailangan ko. Hindi ako masyadong kailangan ng aircraft carrier. You know, the Philippine Islands is a group of so many, and it's almost 7,048 islands all in all. Mas kailangan ko yung gano'n na fast ruddercraft to make the patrols inland, including rivers. Sumaakyat yan eh. At yung mga frigates for the Coast Guard, I think, yes, I would like to ask to have two of that for the customs dyan lang sa Manila Bay area. And I'm satisfied with of course, with the generous offer of Japan. We agreed that we shall maintain a dialogue from time to time to discuss the issues whatever affect the Southeast Asian countries, including the whole of Asia.
Sir, napag-usapan po ba yung campaign against illegal drugs?
Yes.
Sabi ni Prime Minister?
They have a problem. Every city in the world has a problem with that. They call it narcotics. Lahat ng bayan ng buong Pilipinas, buong mundo. Pagka may tao, may mga bata, nandiyan yung drugs.
Sir, yung patrol vessels that will be coming from Japan, ipapatrol ho, iikutin nila kasama ho yung West Philippine Sea, yung pag-claim natin?
Yes, within our territorial water. But that is itself. But if you want, wala man na yung problema.
Sir, napabalik?
I do not think that they would stop us. I mean, China would stop us, Japan just going there and making a cruise.
Sir, yung
As a
joint...
matter of fact, I also told them that they can go near my territorial water.
Sir, pwedeng
And park there if they want.
Sir, pwedeng makipag-joint exercises ang Japan with the Philippines? Kasi dati ginagawa
Yes,
nila.
joint exercise. Yes, of course.
Napag-usapan na, sir?
Well, and, parang in general terms, yes, no problem.
Sir, how about yung possible visiting forces of...
Ayan ang mahirap. Yung Amerikano, ayan ang mahirap.
With Japan po. With Japan.
They're not specifically walang mention ng Japanese dyan. But the sabi ko, Western Alliance. Pero ang binibigyan natin ng ano dyan is yung sa Amerika, because I do not want to embarrass my defense secretary. Pagsabi na kasi siya ng go, kasi ako din ang nag-meet yung dalawa-dalawa. Sabi niya pwede, sabi ko, sige. But that will be the last. That will be the last. And maybe I'll review the EDCA. Ask them one of these days to please become.
Sir, humingi po ba ng clarification si Abe tungkol doon sa mga nabanggit nyo against the United States?
Yes, of course.
Ano po sabi niya? Tsaka ano po sabi niya?
Istorya man lang yan. Masyadong tinig.
Informal, sir, nag-usap kayo tungkol
Oo.
sa US.
Wide range of issues.
Nabahala po ba si Abe rin?
Hindi ko sabi ko istorya lang yan. Maniwala ka pala sa istorya.
Pero ni-raise ba niya?
Iba yan, yes, of course. It was just a joke, but I told him of my sentiment. Para kasi ginagawa tayo ng aso na you throw the bread far away every time you have an issue with me. Tapos the favorite catchword is we will stop the aid and assistance.
You told him that,
So,
sir?
sir,
What was his response?
Wala, hindi siya. Sinabi ko kay, let me very clear on this, not misquote me. sinabi ko ang sama ng loob ko sa Amerikano. Every time is an issue, whatever, it could be human rights or basic, para bang may aso na may tali, na itatapon nilang yung pan, hindi naman maabot ng parang aso na hindi siya makaabot kasi bunganga lang siya dyan kasi hindi, they throw it farther away, something like that.
Sir, ano po
Did
sagot
Prime
niyo
Minister
nung...
Abe, sir, try to mediate na yung sinasabi
No,
ko? What did he say?
he understands meron na silang problema dito sa hotel.
Hindi, yung
Everywhere.
paliwanag niyo po sa mga pronouncements niyo sa Amerika, ano po sagot niya?
Wala.
Nakinig lang po.
To his eternal credit, Minister Abe is a very courteous man.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, namatay yung uncle ng Emperor. Any message po?
Yeah, I'd like to express my deepest condolence sa second sana and the protocol officer na wag na lang muna ako magpunta doon because they are in mourning. And I respect that because I would ask for the same maybe a request if ever in issues.
Sir, one last thing po. Ano po yung comment nyo sa ano? Parang ang comment na iba, tapang daw po ng mga nabanggit nyo sa China. Tapos pagdating dito sa Japan, parang medyo naging yung nagpaliwanag kayo po. Ano ba talaga yung konteksto na sinabi niya sa China?
Well, I said the same thing actually before the Filipino crowd. Almost the same. Same epithets, same cuss words, same slang language and everything.
Why did you feel the need to explain to Prime Minister Abe, sir, na no alliances with China, no talks about stationing?
No, I said no military alliances, but could be alliance about economic.
Okay.
Yun po yung context yung binagit nyo.
Yeah, alam niya. Alam ni Minister Abe, alam ng China, there is really no reason to go to war. Because we are all agreed that kung may Third World War, wala na tayong pinag-usapan lahat. Because we will not see each other here, maybe in the other world. Kasi kung mag-breakdown yan, if there is total breakdown in what you would call, as far as I'm concerned, miscalculation ng isa, then you'll involve India, on which side I do not know, Pakistan, then you have China, then you have North Korea, and maybe South Korea, and do not count Japan. Japan could give you a bloody nose. Then you have on the other side America, Russia, Britain, France, Iran, and maybe Italy.
Okay, thank you, Mayor.
Pag pumutok itong lahat, pagka pumutok itong lahat, okay na ka-ungkid dyan.
Okay daw sa likod mo, sige sa inyo.
Thank you, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
President.
thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President.